So today we're providing our pre-K 3 and pre-K 4 teachers professional development at Region 1. We've been really diligent on conducting walkthroughs at all our campuses, speaking with campus admin and our teachers to really be deliberate and find those professional development topics we feel would benefit our teachers. So our pre-K 3 teachers are getting a half day of phonological awareness and a half day of read alouds and comprehension. And for our pre-K 4 teachers, we're providing a half day of high quality pre-K classroom environment and a half day on supporting language development in the early childhood classrooms.
These trainings, now we get to see them and see how we can improve our work with the kids so that they can enhance their learning. So right now I'm actually in a session about language development, and it's critical because every year we kind of see more students coming in with less and less language. So they're really guiding us and showing us why it's important and how we can implement this in our classrooms.
There's a lot of districts who don't even provide pre-K 3 or full day pre-K 4 at all. So it's really important because research shows that these early childhood classrooms are setting the foundation for our future of our students. The literacy skills, math development, language development, and especially that social-emotional domain.
We're working together for the same goal. Our end goal is for your child to be ready for, the next grade level, kinder. So we would be working together, but it is important for us as teachers to stay updated on the latest practices, the latest research, so that we know how to help these children, so that we can get them to where they need to be, at the end of the year.